Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make KuCoin account step by step. Create an email, choose a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication immediately. Verify your email and complete identity verification to lift withdrawal limits and access fiat features. Fund your account by depositing crypto or using available fiat on-ramps. Explore the interface, set security preferences, and consider a hardware wallet for long-term secure storage. Start by registering with a valid email and password, then confirm your email link to activate the account. Set up 2FA using an authenticator app and enable anti-phishing code for extra protection. Complete KYC by uploading ID and a selfie to unlock deposits, withdrawals, and higher limits. Practice small trades first to understand fees and order types. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice music and timers during trading sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up conveniently. This compact speaker pairs well with desktop setups and helps manage alerts, so consider it a handy desk companion. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a unique password and store it in a trusted password manager immediately after registration. Keep 2FA codes private and never share recovery phrases or QR backups with anyone. Use withdrawal whitelist and email alerts to monitor account activity and move large balances to cold storage when not trading. Regularly update device software, review connected API keys, and limit permissions for third-party services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.